Today's video, I'm going to be making a handmade spoon, and it's going to have a little birdie on the end. So this is going to be the front, which you make into a ball, but I'll get into that in a second. This is going to be enough for our little bird, and this is going to be our handle. So yeah, okay, let's get into the video. I have my ball of clay. Let me just wipe that off, tear some of this, and kind of form it. So let's fast forward this. Okay, so this is how big it's gonna be, and it will get smooth. So now it's time to make the handle, which this can be a little smaller. I'll just put that in a bowl for right now. So I'm gonna and then I'm going to put this into a coil, so let's fast forward this. So now I want to make sure it's centered, and this will all be scored and slip. So let's see, just a little more, so I have my little, and this can go in the pile. Put this into the coil. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up. Okay, so as you see, it is blended, or for the most part. I will get any cracks to make sure that it's smooth, so when it is used, it won't get moldy because everything is sealed. So that's what you want to do. So now we're going to roll this and attempt to draw a bird sign. So I'm going to come back. I'm redoing this clip because I changed my mind on what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a butterfly. So yeah, I'm going to just speed it up. Let's do that. Okay, to sum up the video, this is just part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. So let me just go. Yep. Stay tuned for part 2. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Go to my Instagram. The comments are off because creepy people keep commenting. One time I forgot to turn off the comments. Someone commented the stuff that they did before. So I still leaving them off. Anyways, so I'm just putting this on, doing that, and now it should be safe. Okay, bye guys.